Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you two very important topics. Like first one is the where I will explain you how you can scrape emails from any website using Scrapingdog API, and in the second topic, I will cover how to scrape employees of any company using a SERP API. So let's start with the extraction of emails first. I'm going to take example of this particular page from Princeton University, and this is the page of a faculty member. Let's just make a get request to this particular page, and I'm just going to pass a query, AI query, where I'm typing like extract all the emails from this page in JSON. Let's try this. Okay, we got the data. So similar to this, you can just pass any page which has lots of emails. You can just pass similar query and the URL target URL of your choice, and you will get all the emails available on that particular page. So this was the first topic. Let's jump to the second topic, where I'm going to show you how you can extract uh, employees of any company using a SERP API. So there is a this method through which you can get URLs of any domain, that is site colon. So generally, I want to scrape URLs of LinkedIn.com. So I'm going to make a request LinkedIn to site colon linkedin.com/in. Let's say I want employees working at Apple. So when I type this, I will get all the employees working at Apple. So let me just copy this, just paste it over here, and when I click on try it button, I will get a JSON response, and the JSON response will come very fast. And these are the links of your target employees. Here are the links. This is how you can scrape employees of any company. So now if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.